Our story begins at the Goznak paper mill in St. Petersburg, a highly secured industrial complex where the journey of Russia's powerful 5,000 ruble banknote officially begins. This is far more than an ordinary paper factory. It is a strategic national facility protected by layered security systems, biometric checkpoints, surveillance cameras, and strict access control. Every movement inside the compound is recorded, and every material entering or leaving the site is documented with precision. Inside the vast warehouse, forklifts move methodically between towering stacks of raw material. Each bale is digitally scanned and entered into a secure database to guarantee full traceability.
Scanning complete. Moving to next.
Production.
Confirmed. Tally updated. Good.
Workers
Check the stack
log
behind.
fiber
Clearing
quality,
space. On it.
Weight, moisture level, and supplier information using handheld devices linked to central servers. Once verified, the bales are placed onto a long automated conveyor belt that transports them toward the first mechanical stage. Powerful shredding machines begin tearing apart the cotton and flax, separating and refining nearly 95 to 97% pure cellulose fibers. Massive rotating blades spin at high speed, transforming rough agricultural material into soft, consistent fibers that will form the structural backbone of the banknote. The refined fibers travel through sealed stainless steel pipelines into enormous mixing tanks. Automated valves inject carefully measured amounts of purified water, forming a thick, white pulp. High-speed hydraulic mixers rotate continuously, ensuring the fibers disperse evenly and achieve the ideal density required for currency paper. At this critical stage, advanced security elements are introduced into the mixture. Microscopic red, blue, and grey fibers are blended into the pulp to create visible and hidden markers that are extremely difficult for counterfeiters to replicate accurately. Optical brightening agents enhance clarity under various lighting conditions, while strengthening chemicals increase resistance to tearing, folding, humidity, and general wear. Each
Temperature spiking to
ingredient is
27.4. That's critical.
and monitored
Confirmed. The
by
feed rate is the
computerized
problem.
control
I'm adjusting the valves now.
systems to maintain strict national standards. Before the pulp can become paper, it must pass through a filtration phase. The mixture flows across ultra-fine mesh screens that remove unwanted particles and ensure purity. Samples are extracted and transported to an on-site laboratory where technicians examine fiber distribution and structural consistency under microscopes. Digital instruments measure density and moisture ratios, and every test result is recorded for accountability. Once laboratory approval is granted, the pulp is pumped forward to a giant 4-denier paper forming system at Krasnokamp's paper mill. Here, the liquid pulp spreads evenly across a fast-moving wire mesh belt. As gravity and suction remove excess water, the interlocking cellulose fibers begin bonding together to create a continuous sheet. Subtle mechanical vibrations ensure uniform distribution, preventing weak spots. Pressing rollers compress the damp sheet, squeezing out additional moisture and strengthening internal fiber connections. The sheet then travels across heated steel cylinders where rising steam signals control evaporation. Infrared sensors monitor temperature to avoid overheating or surface damage. A long drying tunnel completes the moisture removal process, leaving behind a flexible yet remarkably strong sheet embedded with microscopic security fibers. After drying, a protective coating is applied to improve durability and optimize ink absorption. Heavy calendar rollers polish the sheet under intense pressure, producing a smooth, recognizable banknote texture. High-resolution cameras and laser scanning systems inspect every centimeter for imperfections, alignment issues, or surface inconsistencies. Approved sheets are carefully wound into enormous rolls, weighing several tons, and transferred to climate-controlled storage vaults until printing begins. At the same time, specialized security inks are prepared. Advanced pigments, including color-shifting compounds supplied by SICPA, are blended with proprietary Russian formulas to produce vibrant cyan, magenta, yellow, deep black, and optically variable inks. These inks contain chemical properties that react differently under ultraviolet light, and when viewed from changing angles, creating additional protection against forgery. The printing stage takes place at Goznak's Moscow facility, where the historic Orlov printing system,
Observe the peak
originally
here.
developed
Yes,
in the 19th
it matches the
century
model.
by Ivan
Precisely,
Orlov,
the correlation is strong.
operates
Ready for the next sample.
with extraordinary precision. This machine can apply multiple colors simultaneously while maintaining perfect alignment, producing intricate guilloche patterns and detailed background designs. Massive rolls of prepared banknote paper are loaded into the press, and complex artwork appears layer by layer. When tilted under light, selected areas shimmer and shift color, demonstrating the advanced optical technology embedded within the design. Following offset printing, the sheets move to the intaglio stage. Here, extreme pressure transfers engraved designs onto the surface, creating raised textures that can be felt by touch. Portraits, architectural landmarks, and official inscriptions gain their tactile quality during this phase. Metallic silver and bronze inks emphasize critical details. Additional security features include holographic threads woven into the paper, watermarks visible when held against light, microtext, hidden images, QR codes, and ultraviolet, reactive serial numbers that glow under UV lamps. After printing, automated optical inspection systems examine each sheet thoroughly, comparing them against digital reference standards. Approved sheets proceed to precision cutting machines that slice them into individual 5,000 ruble notes with exact accuracy.
The alignment
counting
on this one
machines
is good.
Bundle the notes
Noted.
into
Proceed to
stacks
the
of
next.
100, wrap them with official security bands, and label them with traceable barcodes. The sealed bundles are packed into reinforced cartons with tamper-evident tape and transported under heavy guard to secure vaults before final delivery to the Central Bank of Russia. From simple cotton and flax fibers to a technologically advanced finished banknote, the production of the 5,000 ruble represents a powerful combination of science, engineering, security innovation, and strict quality control working together to protect a nation's currency. If you enjoyed discovering the secret world behind Russian currency production, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on